Hello parents, I hope you all are doing good at home. Due to this coronavirus pandemic, we all are confined to our homes. No schools, no friends, no outings. But staying at home, you should have to take care of yourself and your kids too. And also need to take care about how you are sharing the news of the coronavirus with your kids because they also need to know what's going on. So here I am, Sonia, going to present a presentation where I am going to tell you about how you can talk to your kids about the coronavirus. News of the coronavirus is everywhere, from the front page of the newspaper to the playgrounds where kids are playing with their friends. A lot of parents are concerned about how they can share the information about this illness in such a way that they provide insurance instead of increasing their worries. First of all, the question arises, should parents talk to the kids about the coronavirus? Yes, the answer is yes. Here is a survey of US adults in which 72% of the US adults think that parents should talk to their children about the novel coronavirus outbreak. So here are some advice for you people for talking to your children about the coronavirus. First, do not be afraid to discuss about the coronavirus. Most children have already heard about it because they have seen people wearing masks and washing their hands frequently. So they know something is up. So you should not afraid to talk about it. Not talking about the coronavirus can actually be worse because kids can worry more if they think you're avoiding talking to them. We recommend parents that they are the ones who can see the news and give their kids the information which is factual and not so exaggerated. So use this as an opportunity to talk to them about the facts and having conversation on the news that they have might seen and hear from the other friends in school. Second, be developmentally appropriate. Do your best. Do not share too much information with your kids all at once because this can be overwhelming. What you really need to do is answer them honestly and clearly and give them information that you have. It's okay if you do not have all the answers to their questions right now. Third, you really have to take cues from your child and answer what they are asking for. We recommend that you should invite your children to ask few questions from you and to tell you the kinds of things that they have been hearing, and then you can tell them if that's true or not so true. We definitely do not want to ask them too many questions because this can encourage more frightening fantasies. They will come to you with questions and you just have to give them the factual things that are in your hand right now. Fourth, it's really important for the parents to deal with their own anxiety first. Most of us are feeling pretty anxious ourselves about the coronavirus, but we have to do that, make ourselves calm before talking to the children about the virus. If you notice that you are feeling particularly anxious in certain times, make sure you stop and feel more calm before you have this conversation with your children. Fifth, it's really important to be reassuring with your kids. Children tend to be pretty egocentric, so it's common for them to worry that they will contract to this illness. Either you or other important family member will get sick. It's very helpful to reassure your kids that they are not likely to get this illness, and it's actually a pretty way at this point. And we think that we know so far that kids will not likely to get this illness. Sixth, focus on what you are doing to stay safe and healthy. Kids feel empowered when they know that what they can do to keep themselves safe. So that's why we emphasize the things like washing their hands, using sanitizers and wearing masks. They should know that this illness is transmitted usually if you are coughing, sneezing or touching any contaminated surfaces. Seventh, during this kind of a stressful time, it's very important to stick to your routine. We don't like uncertainty, hence it makes us anxious. Sticking to the routine is the way to maintain some protectability during this crisis. This is particularly important if your child's school or child daycare starts. Make sure you are taking care of all the basics just like you were on the spring breaks or the regular summer vacations. Structure your days with regular meal time and bedtime is a way to maintain routines and protectability during this time. Now, there is something really very important that you should keep talking to your children, especially as you learn the new information about this illness. Tell your kids that you will continue to inform them of any new information that you will learn, and you want to keep the lines of the communication open. So, this is not just a one-time conversation with them. Tell them, even though you don't have the answer of this question right now, as soon as you get the information, you will get back to them and let them know the answers. So, in the last, I will just say please be calm with your kids and follow all the advices what I have given you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.